Some more breaking news that we're picking up. A big breaking development that has taken place. Twitter has reached out to Union IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad and has now sought a formal dialogue to resolve the deadlock over the removal of bad accounts amid the ongoing farmers' protest. No meeting has happened so far. Remember, they've only put up a request. Our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor is also joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, Twitter certainly has been at the center of this entire controversy, with so many international players also meddling, and certainly a lot of bad content that's been going up on this social media platform. We have a breaking development on the same.
Well, at this point of time, we can confirm that yes, Twitter India has reached out to the concerned ministry in the Government of India, that is the Ministry of Information and Technology. Earlier, we've seen very, very strong and stern messages going out from the ministry back to Twitter, and now Twitter reaching out and saying that they would really want a solution for this. And as far as the Government of India is concerned, they have no problem with any kind of content, but it is just with malicious content and with content which is fake, content which is rumors, content which is wrong news. That is something, and then that is being allowed to spread like wildfire, creates a real issue in today's time. And the fact remains that Twitter also needs to understand that yes, with its power comes responsibility, and this is something which Government of India has been trying to convey back to Twitter India for a while now, but it is only after a very, very stern messages, and we've seen certain resignations within Twitter India as well. So all of that happening, and now Twitter India are reaching out to the minister, though as of now there has been no confirmation whether the minister would meet the representatives of Twitter India or not. But at this point of time, Twitter India's top administration for South Asia, not only India for that matter, is reaching out and trying to meet with Government of India and trying to solve this whole situation out.
Because Aishwarya, you know, what this implies is that there is a lot of pressure that Twitter is also feeling at this point in time, with the Government of India time and again, like you rightly said, pointed out to Twitter that with reach comes responsibility. And for example, let's say those 1,100 plus Pakistani Khalistani accounts that have been spreading so much misinformation around the ongoing farmers' agitation. So a lot of pressure that Twitter is also feeling at this point in time.
Absolutely, and you've basically pointed it out. It's just with the wrong information. It is just with the malicious content. Government of India has said that yes, even if there is some content which is of a different ideology, it works. But then wrong information, malicious information, false news is something which cannot be allowed. And this is something which Twitter needs to understand. And Twitter has basically been in an argument with the Government of India in this regard for the longest period of time. As far as the official dialogue is concerned, it's been more than 2 years now. More than 2 years. And it's only after the latest row, which happened on the 26th of January, Government of India has given out very, very stern messages back to Twitter India, post which now we are being told that this massive reach out has happened, though the minister concerned, that is Ravi Shankar Prasad, Minister for Information and Technology as well, has not given any time yet, but Twitter India has reached out.
So there you have an important development. Aishwarya sharing all those details. Thank you, Aishwarya. Twitter now reaching out to Union IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad for a formal dialogue to resolve the deadlock over the removal of some of the accounts amid the ongoing farmers' protest, because that's one concern that has been flagged by the Government of India time and again. Now Twitter urging the centre to resolve the deadlock.